Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. Obviously, we got the F450. It is looking freaking killer. We still have this video coming. Stay tuned, guys. We did make this thing 8-wheel drive. It was freaking cool. I am waiting for one more piece of the puzzle to do this, as what I did was already cool, but I'm waiting to put it over the top to make an actual killer sick video. I just want to have something, you know, more than what I have right now. So we are going to do that video. I'm just waiting for it to, you know, sort of have an extra pair of hands and for all the stars to align to finish up that video. So it's freaking hilarious already, so stay tuned. But today is actually going to be about the Urban Bourbon. As you guys do know and love, this truck, it has been sitting over here since I've been stopped. Now, as you do know, I did get pulled over because it was not inspected. As you do know, it had a few issues. It has some lights on the dash. It has, I think, ABS light, and obviously I know the engine light, which you guys all know now also. Gotta grab the key out of my pocket. But we are actually gonna head over today and borrow my buddy's scanner, and we're actually gonna get this thing scanned to see why the engine light is on. So as you can tell, ABS light, brake light, and engine light is on. It's actually got decent miles. Everyone asks how many miles. It's got 176 on it, which isn't hateful for what it is. We will get an oil change for it also, because I think it is definitely due for that. 176, 158. So yep, it's about 100 miles overdue for an oil change. So we'll get that taken care of too while we're out today. And also, the other big thing is, dun dun dun, it doesn't have a fuel cap. So we're gonna get a fuel cap for sure. And we're also gonna go ahead and get, you know, the engine light scanned, and we're gonna get it resolved to finding out why the engine light is on 100%. So let's jump in the truck. We're gonna head over to my buddy's shop, and we're gonna get this thing scanned for its engine light. Guys, don't forget, obviously this is going to be a quick merge plug here. I strapped a little light on the remote control truck here because I wanted to play with it tonight before it gets too late. This thing is freaking sick, guys. One of you guys are going to win it. Let's take it up here on the pad so you can actually see. Ooh, cool, guys. I've literally been playing with it like crazy. The kids have been playing with it, and drop the GoPro. And as you can tell, like, we took it down to Danny's. Vince was down there playing with it. Danny was playing with it. His wife Jessica was playing with it. It is freaking a fast little truck. It's obviously not designed to jump that, but as you can tell, it does. That's a pretty high step, guys. So somebody will win it. Head on over to senditstevemerch.com to get your entries while they last. All right, sorry, I kind of forgot to shoot a video with it earlier today while I was out working, but we can still play with it today, right now. Look at that, senditstevemerch.com. Somebody is gonna win one of these, and I cannot wait to give it away to one of you. Oh, we almost ran over the GoPro. See if I can power slide it right here and stop. Ready? No. I can't get what I want. All right, hold on. There we go. One of you will win it. senditstevemerch.com. Get your entries now. Every item you purchase is one entry. I came over to my buddy's shop here to get the engine light scanned on the Suburban. As you do know, we did get stopped last week, and we definitely need to get this rectified. So as I'm looking at his scanner here, you see on there it has a P0449 evap system vent control circuit low. So I'm gonna go ahead. I called Advance Auto, and there's one for $27.84 on the website. I'm gonna call over, see what I can get it for, and see if they have it in stock. We're gonna run over and get one. So huge thanks to my buddy for letting me borrow a scanner in that. And I'm also gonna just scan the ABS light while I'm here, because I mean, we might as well see what that's about. I think it's a ABS control module, but I'm not 100% sure. Anti-lock brakes, go in here, display codes, current codes, and yeah, electronic brake control module relay circuit. So I believe that's actually going to be the relay that is on the side of the ABS module. I'm going to do a little bit of research here, but we're going to get that resolved too, because I do believe it is the same as the 05 GMC that I had, and I do have the ABS module and everything from that truck. So if it's possible that I can go ahead and swap everything over, we're going to get everything resolved, and everything resolved right now. I kind of miss driving this truck, and obviously when I got pulled over, I kind of parked it because I have other vehicles to drive. So let's head over and get the vent valve from Advance here real quick, get this tossed on, and then we're going to do some driving around to see if we can't get the engine light to clear. Alrighty, we got both our parts, only one of them can be installed right now though. So let's get this installed. All right, back to the house to finish the rest. Safety first. Let's get our vent valve installed. It wasn't even plugged in. Unbelievable. Well, we got the new one anyway, and it's only $20 couple, so let's just toss the new one in and be done with it. Hey guys, so disregard the box down below here, but Toolshed of America actually had the rocker panels that we need for the OBS truck. And if you guys do know anything about emissions and everything like that, you do know I'm going to have to drive this vehicle to get it to, you know, clear emissions. So I told Danny, hey, Toolshed has your rockers that you need for the OBS. Obviously it's my truck, but for the OBS we have our rockers, so I'll jump over here, grab our rocker panels, and I'll drive them down to you. So I actually asked my buddy too, hey, you mind if I borrow your scanner? So we got the scanner, we are jumping in the Suburban, and we are heading down to Danny's to kind of number one, clear the engine light, and number two, get the rocker panels that we need for the OBS build. So I hope you guys are excited. I don't really have the time to be doing it right now, but we're gonna do it anyway because, well, I need to get it done. I need to get that truck up and running. And besides, I'm only down to 2 vehicles, the F450 and the Urban Burban, so I need another vehicle to drive. So let's go down to Danny's and drop off the rocker panels, and I'll give you guys another sneak peek of the OBS project. All right, well, we made it down here to Danny's, and it does appear that we don't have an engine light. So I think we're good, but we'll know tomorrow morning when we come back out. We're gonna run back down to my buddy's place and see if we can't have the engine light clear and get this thing inspected. So I give this a win for so far, but let's get the parts for Danny, and we'll do a little OBS update too. See if Danny has done anything. I can kind of see a lot different right now, but I'm not gonna show you guys. As you can tell, we have arrived to Danny's, and I can't show you anything else other than that. So let me go get the update that I'm able to get you guys. I hear a compressor running. Oh, the hose is going outside. So that must mean he's out back here. Oh, yes. I can't really show you guys too much, but Danny's got the truck pretty well sanded down here. And we got to stop right there. Alrighty, well, as you can tell, we're going to do a little bit of an update. And as you can tell, oh, one of my KC lights fell off there. But as you can tell, we are going pretty much old school look here for the OBS truck. And I think it is going to look absolutely killer. Once we get the light or the roll bar on, we get all the lights and everything mounted, I think you guys are going to like this. So the other thing was Danny went ahead and made new tabs for on here. We're gonna put it there and put it here. Then this whole thing's gonna go off to the sandblaster. Actually, he has an appointment to be there tomorrow. So Danny's got to get this cleaned up, get the new tabs welded on, and then this thing is off to the sandblaster so that it can get, you know, a refresh pretty much. So I'm excited about the new look of the OBS, and I'm kind of glad that I came down here to give you guys the update. So I'm gonna keep helping sand here and all that. I got to get home in probably about an hour and a half, so I got some time. Let's lend a helping hand and sling some paint. Also guys, before we head out of here, I know a bunch of people have been asking about the Fred project. Fred is still here. We're not getting rid of him. Danny and I, like I said, we were in a video earlier, we were kind of butting heads on what frame to use and things like that, but we found a frame. We've agreed on a frame, and well, Danny wins this one, but for everything else, I'm going to win 100%. But the Fred is going to be built. It's going to be about a month and a half out. You know, I got to get some of my other things wrapped up here before we start tearing into this one, because this one's going to be kind of a bit more intense of a project than, you know, some of the other projects. So we got to finish the Bruce real quick. I got to do a dashboard in that, plus I have a secret for the Bruce, and we definitely got to finish the OBS. So let's keep plugging and chugging on the OBS. But there's your update on the Fred. He's not going anywhere. Alrighty, well, it is going in for paint, and I hope you guys are excited to see the outcome. So stay tuned. We are going to do an update video. I don't know when it will be, but this is all the further I can walk you guys in. So I hope you understand. She's going for paint. The OBS is going to look sick here soon. All right, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, well, as you can tell, we have arrived back at the house here. No engine light came on or anything like that. I went into the scanner here, and it obviously says no codes present. I'm not sure how, I don't think that's coming up at all. Not even sure. There you go, no codes present. So I say I probably put about 114 to 130 miles on it today, so I think we're going to be good to go as far as that. Tomorrow morning, I'll obviously start it up, make sure there's no engine light or all that. The other monitor should set, which is just heater 02, and we'll be good to go with that. So if you guys, so there you have it guys. I'm going to wrap up the video with our updates and everything. I know you can't really see me. I can kind of turn on the light there, but we got everything taken care of. I also have a little bit of a surprise right here. So we're going to try it and see what happens. I'm not going to announce what it is yet, but I'm sure some of you will pick up on it. But we're going to try it, see what happens, and see, you know, where we're going to go with it. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in an upcoming video. We're hustling and bustling, guys. We're really knocking out the videos lately, and I love you guys' support. It truly, truly means a lot to me. So take care, guys, and again, thanks again for all the support.